Hey guys, Chris Camaro here. Got another video. This one is how to install a cabin filter in my 2011 Hyundai Sonata. So the first thing you're going to do is open your glove box, take all the junk out. Then there's these two little things here. You're going to pull one out. Do the outside, and this is gonna, then you're gonna pull this little piece off. It's that simple. And probably all the crap will fall out, you know. Then, in here, on the right side, there's this tab. You push these in, pull it out. There's your filter. As you can tell, it's heavy, it's bending, it's all dirty, so we're going to throw that away. I'm going to open this guy, second here. One side. Alright, so then, see this thing here, airflow. This one is an STP filter. You guys are looking. From AutoZone. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it in the hole somehow. Okay, there's two little slots on here. One over here, one like that, you're just gonna push it in. Oh, wait a minute, that's not right. No, hold on, something's not right. Maybe it goes this way. Definitely doesn't go that way. The same freaking size. Yeah, same size. So yeah, you're gonna again push this side in. Without doing that, and just one end is fun. Okay, so again, you're just going to slide it all the way in. Just going to keep going back and forth until you get it all the way in there. Why it's not going in, I don't know. Okay, there we go. It just wasn't in all the way. Alright, then you're gonna grab your little piece. Okay, slide that in the hole, and then push over here. Done. Push this up, and then you're gonna get your piece like that. Grab your little guys here, and you can tell which way it goes. Hyundai is very smart when it comes to this stuff. This is the easiest cabin filter on the planet. Seems complicated, but it's not actually complicated. Okay, and you throw all your junk back, and you're done. That is how you do it. Chris Camaro signing off.